Volker, we're here in the Impulse. What's the purpose of this digital experience center?
Yeah, we show the future of automation and the future of digitalization in our manufacturing. And yeah, we want to set impulses here. We want to create ideas together with our customers, together with our partners. Yeah, and of course, in the best way, we want to found solutions based on these ideas in collaboration with our customers and with our partners, of course. Yeah.
Now, speaking of customers, I understand you get 10,000 customers, partners coming through here in a year.
Yeah.
That's correct?
Yeah, that's correct, and it's absolutely incredible. So 10,000 customers a year, it's fantastic. Yeah.
Now, I suppose we see all the technology around here of what builds or what enables the sustainable digital enterprise. But it's not just the demos that you see here. If you walk across the corridor, you're in one of the most modern factories in the world, what the World Economic Forum called out as a digital lighthouse, a sustainability lighthouse. How important is it you have the center and then you can go see the latest and greatest in a production facility?
Yeah. That's very important. This connection between the Impulse and our manufacturing, our electronic works is very, very important, because this is the proof that we don't just talk. So we are able to provide solutions directly in our manufacturing. And so we can provide the solutions also at our customer's factory. And this is really very, very important.
Now, with 10,000 customers coming through, what's the typical reaction of people when they walk in here?
I guess they are amazed, really amazed about the building itself. And they are amazed also about the technology they see, about the solutions they see. And of course, they are really amazed about our electronic works.
And I suppose what it's not just the demos and walking, looking at the factory. You have a lot of customer workshop rooms. So as you said earlier, you can sit down and work through the customer's problems. It's not just here's the art of the possible, goodbye. Yeah. So you work through that with the customers here, right?
Yes, this is also what we offer, because we can offer a customized experience for our customers, because we are working strongly together with our sales, and so we can provide a real customer experience.
Now, given your time here, what's the coolest thing you've seen or done here?
Yeah, I would say, it started in November 2021. So, and at the same time, our factory here won the
Digital Lighthouse?
Yeah, the Digital Lighthouse Award. And I guess this was a real cool thing, because this was my very first impression of the Impulse here, and that was a really great effort.
So with all that you've done here, what's next?
Yeah, next is of course vacation time. No, just kidding. No.
After 10,000 customers?
Yes. I would say the next real hot topic would be the SPS fair in November.
Of course.
And so we will have lots of customers here. I would say the last fairs we had around about 600 customers within 1 week here. And so this is really exciting next topic here. Yeah.
Well, you've certainly done a lot here. It's an impressive center. So, hey, good stuff. I wish you well.
Yeah, thank you very much.